Hi people. Okay, so very simple topic. Okay, so I have been observing people in the metro usually. लोग ना बहुत ज़्यादा रश आउट कर रहे होते हैं. They are like running for work. They are like pushing each other out and things like that. काफ़ी टाइम से I had this thing in my mind, so I thought, why not? So you see, everyone is rushing, like literally everyone out there. So they are rushing to wake up, they are rushing to reach somewhere, they are rushing to get success, they are rushing for, to be at the top, they are rushing to reply as quick as possible, rushing even when we don't know where we are going. So it's like a rushing thing going on. Nobody's at peace. Now, we wake up tired, that is not because we didn't sleep well, but because our mind never rested, right? The first thing we touch in the morning isn't peace, it's our phone, usually, which gives you notification, messages, deadlines, and suddenly the race begins. Shit, I'm late for office. Now, I have no problem with rushing, but the thing is, when you're rushing for something, for an example, if you're late for office, right? So, if you're late, you will eventually reach late. By rushing, you'll not reach on time. We eat fast, we walk fast, we talk fast, खत्म. And yet we still feel late in life. बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार trying our level best, why we are not able to reach somewhere. So somewhere along the way we were taught that slow means lazy, which is true, that if you're not constantly busy you're falling behind, which is not true. So we keep rushing, not because we want to, but because we are scared. We are scared of what? Scared of missing out, scared of being left behind, scared that everyone else is doing better than you. Which is very true, right? This is very true. Now, but there's a truth no one talks about. Rushing is quietly stealing our life. I heard somebody saying this thing, or in a quotation or something like that. Only the humans, right, are rushing. The animals are at peace. Everything that has been made. Only the humans are rushing. Only the humans. अंडरस्टैंडेबल कि हमें बहुत आगे बढ़ना है, हमें बहुत कुछ अचीव करना है. वो सब चीज़ें अचीव हो सकती है इफ़ यू आर एट पीस एज वेल. So when we rush, we stop noticing small joys, the peaceful cup of tea, that deep conversation जो हम कर सकते थे but नहीं कर पाए just because of rushing. That moment of silence we actually needed. We rush through moments that will never come back. फॉर एन एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर हम कभी ट्रिप पे गए हैं, लाइक राइट, तो वहाँ पे भी बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि यार कल ऑफिस जाना है, सो वी कैन नॉट एन्जॉय दिस थिंग, कल हमें ऑफिस जाना है वाला सिनारियो होता है. लाइफ वॉज नेवर मेंट टू बी 24/7. कॉम्पिटिशन नॉट लेट, your pace is not wrong. Some things grow slowly and they grow beautifully. हर चीज़ को समय लगता है and that is completely normal, right? But being at, you see, everything is in a rush. तुम कुछ भी उठा लो, the food is in a rush. उसको जो प्रोड्यूस करके जो बड़ा करते हैं, that is in a rush, right? हम उसको नेचुरली ग्रो नहीं कर पाते. अब हम वी नीड समथिंग दैट विल मेक इट जल्दी ग्रो कर देगा. Why? Everything is in a rush. So not everything needs to be instant. हर चीज़ एकदम से होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. Not every goal needs pressure. हर चीज़ को आराम से किया जा सकता है. If that is meant for you, वो तुम्हारे पास eventually आएगा. Not every day needs productivity. There can be some days when you are not feeling like doing anything. You just require rest, right? Sometimes slowing down is not quitting. It's choosing clarity. It's choosing mental peace. It's choosing yourself, which is not a biased thing if you're doing. So today, take a deep breath. Do one thing slowly. Be present for one moment fully. Because life isn't asking you to rush, it's asking you to live. And when you're rushing, you're not living it. That's very simple, right? So, with that, take care. Good night.